Have you ever wanted to switch between multiple Canva accounts without the hassle of logging out every single time? Well, good news. Canva actually makes it super easy to do that. Let's dive right in. When you're on Canva, look at the top right corner of your screen. That's where your profile icon is located. Click on it and a small menu will appear. Here, you'll notice an option that says plus. Add another account. Click on that. Canva will ask you to sign in to your other account, whether it's through Google, email, or Facebook. Once you log in, Canva automatically links that new account to your current session. Now, here's the best part. Once your accounts are linked, you can switch between them instantly. Just click your profile icon again and you'll see all your connected accounts listed there. Select the one you want and Canva will switch you over in seconds. No logging out, no re-entering passwords. Nothing complicated. This is especially useful if you use Canva for different purposes, like one account for personal projects and another for work or clients. It keeps everything organized and saves you tons of time. And that's it. You now know how to easily switch between accounts in Canva, all from one place. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out right after this video and streamline your Canva workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.